Consistency is the key to success, and that's true. But the real question is how to be consistent. So, in this video, I'll share with you the three real reasons why you're not consistent and what you can do to fix it. So, the first reason, I know it. See, there are a lot of people when they start something new, their first sentence is I know it already, और ये तो मुझे already पता है. And that's where the whole game ends, even before it starts. Because the moment you say I know it, you stop from learning. So instead of saying I know it, start with I am learning. Because consistency comes from repetition, not from assuming that you already know. Second reason, distractions. In today we have everything available at one click, and that makes difficult to sit with our own self and to focus on one thing. So if you want consistency, you have to subtract your distractions. Remember this, you cannot multiply your results without subtracting your distractions. So create distance from your phone, from unnecessary scrolling, or from the things that break your focus. Third reason, no clarity. See, when we are motivated, we try to do everything at once. We list down 10 things and we want to focus on each. Why? Because we don't have the clarity of our goal. See, when you don't have muscle to focus on one thing, you cannot focus on 10 things, or you cannot do all the things at once. So here, apply the rule of one thing. Pick one area of your life. It could be health, it could be career, it could be finance, or it could be your studies, or anything, right? So pick one area, then decide your goal, what you want to do. For example, if you want to fit, don't say I want to be fit, but say I'll work out 20 minutes daily for next 20 or 21 days. Because remember, clarity creates the consistency, not a cluttered mind. So if you want to be consistent, change I know it to I am learning. Subtract your distractions and follow the rule of one thing. And remember this, nobody starts when they get good. They start first and they get good on the way. So start small, stay real, and keep going. I'll see you in the next video.